Ouch, you just nicked your finger while chopping vegetables. It's a tiny cut, barely worth noticing. But inside your body, an epic drama unfolds. Your immune system springs into action. Think of your body as a fortress. That tiny cut? It's a breach in the defenses. A distress signal alerts the immune system. Teamwork and targeted attacks follow. Remember the incredible battle beneath the surface. The first line of defense at the site of your cut is a type of white blood cell called a macrophage. These big eaters engulf and digest anything that doesn't belong. Think of them as hungry hippos, always ready to chomp down on invaders. Drawn by chemical signals, they arrive and engulf bacteria. Macrophages release cytokines, summoning reinforcements. They set the entire immune response in motion. Next on the scene are the neutrophils, crucial to our body's defense. These short-lived warriors rush to infection sites, ready to combat invaders. Imagine them as fearless kamikaze pilots, sacrificing themselves to destroy the enemy. Neutrophils release enzymes that destroy bacteria, causing redness and swelling. After intense fighting, they die off, contributing to the pus at infection sites. It's a sign your immune system is working. Remember their sacrifice next time you heal. Inflammation, a necessary chaos. The immune response might seem like an overreaction, but there's a reason for the chaos. When your body detects an injury or infection, it goes into defense mode. Inflammation is crucial for healing. Without it, our bodies couldn't fight infections or heal wounds. Think of inflammation as your body calling in the troops, immune cells rushing to the injury site. Blood vessels expand, allowing more blood to flow to the affected area, causing redness and swelling. This increased blood flow brings immune cells and resources to fight off pathogens and start repair. Inflammation also helps contain the infection, preventing it from spreading. Increased blood flow brings clotting factors to seal the wound and start repair. So, while it might be tempting to reach for a pain reliever, remember that inflammation means your body is healing. Dendritic cells, the intelligence agents. While macrophages and neutrophils fight invaders, dendritic cells gather intel. They identify and capture foreign invaders, acting as the immune system's first line of defense. Dendritic cells patrol the body's front lines, collecting information and reporting back to headquarters. Found in tissues like skin and lungs, they intercept pathogens at entry points. They capture antigens and travel to lymph nodes, communicating the invader's presence to other immune cells. In the lymph nodes, they present antigens to T cells, activating the adaptive immune response. This interaction helps the immune system remember enemies and prepare for future encounters. T cells and B cells, the special forces meet the special forces of the immune system, T cells and B cells. T cells direct the attack while B cells produce antibodies. Helper T cells activate other immune cells. Cytotoxic T cells kill infected cells. B cells produce antibodies targeting invaders. This makes the adaptive immune response effective. Immune memory, remembering the enemy. The battle is won and your cut is healing nicely. But the story doesn't end there. The immune system remembers past encounters with pathogens. Some T and B cells become memory cells. These cells are like veterans ready for future threats. Memory cells make vaccines effective. Vaccines trigger an immune response without causing disease. Thanks to immune memory, you don't get chickenpox twice.